On today's episode of LiveLeanTV, I'm sharing a 10-minute plyometric box jump workout for fat loss and power. This LiveLean approved 3x5 box jump workout will help you increase your vertical, improve power, and kick your fat to the curb. And since we're working on improving power and force with this workout, we're eliminating the stretch and shortening cycle by using a different variation of the box jump called the concentric box jump. So the difference between a regular box jump and the concentric box jump is the starting position. So a regular box jump includes the eccentric lowering of the jump. Now with the concentric box jump, the starting position begins when you're already in the squat position. So your knees should be at approximately a 90-degree flexion or at least at a quarter squat position. You could also complete this workout using the seated box jump exercise. By removing the lowering motion, the concentric box jump requires you to produce more rapid power to complete the jump. So here's how this 10-minute plyometric box jump workout is structured. It's going to take you about 10 minutes to do. We're going to structure it into giant sets. So you're going to perform one set of 5 jumps. So if you're a beginner, do not be intimidated by the height of the box jumps that I'm doing. If you're new to box jumps, start within your comfort level, even if the box is only at 12 inches. It will look intimidating and you may think you're going to fall flat on your face, but you have to trust yourself that you can do it. But safety first. Then increase the height by adding another level of boxes. Then you complete 5 more jumps for the second set. There's no need to go crazy and aggressive with the height of your box jumps in the beginning. Just get comfortable by starting with a low box jump, then slowly add more levels to build up your confidence. As the level of the box increases, it's obviously going to get more difficult. So of course, you need to be smart, but you also need to trust your hops. It's important to always be progressing your workouts, so make sure you keep track of how high you jumped every set. Then when you repeat this workout the following week, you can increase the height of each set compared to the previous workout. After completing the second set, increase the height for the third set and complete 5 more box jumps. So during this box jump workout, we're going to be progressing by increasing the height of the box for every set. So again, while performing the concentric box jump, we're eliminating the lowering eccentric motion of the box jump. So by starting the box jump in that low squat position, this helps improve the power of your jump rather than using momentum. In other words, start low and power your way up. So after completing the 3x5 set, it's time to attempt your box jump 1 rep max. This means you will select a height that you can complete as 1 rep as high as you can go. After that, you will repeat this giant set 2 more times. So if you're looking to power up your fat loss efforts, I want you to start incorporating this plyometric box jump workout into your existing workout program. So if you're currently doing LiveLean Afterburn 2.0 or LiveLean Mass 2.0 or any of our other LiveLean programs, simply incorporate this plyometric box jump workout during your scheduled HIIT cardio day. Although your heart rate probably won't elevate as much as if you're sprinting at the track or on the treadmill, it'll still burn some serious calories. To find the best workout and nutrition program for you, go take our Live Lean Body Quiz. Answer 4 simple questions and we'll get you on the best program based on your goals. Every training program includes warm-ups, workouts, cool-downs, and nutrition plans. We have it all. Go take the Live Lean Body Quiz here. Question of the day: do you currently incorporate plyometric box jumps into your workouts? Be sure to share your answers in the comments section below. And now I want you to go watch this 10-minute fat melting HIIT bodyweight workout right over here.